Today, Sarah and I are going to make some pizza with the dough made with the pasta di Riporto. So I'm gonna flour this, the oven is nice and hot, and now I'm gonna get a dough ball. And here it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the circumference of this dough and just press down. And I'm gonna turn it around, do the same even here. And now we're gonna stretch it like this just by slapping it around. One thing you can also do is you can hold it on the edge and allow gravity to pull down. All right, here we have some tomatoes that we crushed. We're gonna bring it to the center and just go around in a circle, spread it around. There is just a little teeny bit of sugar in the tomatoes, some salt, and that's it. Let me get just a bit more for right around here. Now, we're gonna get the mozzarella that we've sliced, but we're still gonna kind of break it up into bigger chunks. We are going to put some onions. Here's some SALAMINO PICCANTE. This is hot salami, so it's spicy. And oh boy, is this good. The boys really like it with the SALAMINO. There, and we're gonna add just a little bit more heat with some cayenne pepper flakes. You can also use cayenne pepper powder. Why not a few olives? Sarah also asked to put just a few capers on there. We do love capers. And now, a nice drizzle of olive oil. When this pizza comes out, we might even put a few leaves of fresh basil on there. Just a bit of oregano and a little bit of salt. We're ready to pick it up with our peel. We're taking it out. Let's place our pizza in the oven and let the oven do its magic. With the help of the pizza peel, I'm gonna slide it on this side and then rotate so it can brown and cook well on all sides. I believe it's ready to come out. And here is our pizza. We are going to slice it and enjoy a wonderful lunch. And what is left to do is to wish you un buon appetito and happy baking